Children, now understand the whole chapter. Its recapitulation means its analysis, its summary in one go. Let's revise the chapter in one go. We will not part the chapter into different modules. So let's start. In this chapter, the most beautiful thing, there is a boy Ramchand. He is 5 years old. He has very loving and caring parents. His mother takes very good care of him. His father too loves him dearly. Now, Ramchand is a small boy, so he always plays and roams around his mother. He wants to be as near as possible to his mother. His father is a shopkeeper. He runs a grocery shop. Daily items of kitchen and home are served where? So, they are not very rich. They have a very small room to live in. In one corner, there is a curtain behind which they use that place as washroom, and nearby that room there is a very small toilet, and in the opposite corner they use that corner as a kitchen where his mother rolls perfectly circular chapatis, and she cuts onions and tomatoes in perfect slices. Now he plays around his mother all the time, more or less. She takes care of him. If he comes near the stove or not, she scares him so that he never comes near the stove. She has heard a lot of incidents when child gets burned coming near the stove. Moreover, she has scared Ramchand of stove by narrating him different stories of Chuhu. Chuhu is a girl mouse. She used to make different figures from that lump of dough which she kneads the floor. After kneading the floor, she makes that lump, and with that lump she used this lump as a clay for the small child, and she makes different figures. She gives them eyes, she gives them nose, and makes it a small animal more or less all the time. So she was unable to give it whiskers, the hair on the face of animals, so near the mouth. So she is unable to give them whiskers. So she makes another story that the mouse is very much scared of Ramchand, and because she comes frequently near to the stove, her whiskers gets singed, gets burnt. So the mouse is without any whisker, and she scares Ramchand that if he too comes near the stove, he will not have any mustache like his father when he will grow up. So Ramchand used to sit away from the stove. Once his father calls his mother to get some help in his shop. His mother goes away. Mother asks Ramchand to make the most beautiful thing with that lump of dough. Whatever comes to his mind, he can make with that lump of dough. Now the boy figures out, thinks and thinks and thinks, but he cannot come to any conclusion which is the most beautiful thing, because to him, mother and father are the most beautiful thing in the whole world. But then he, being a small boy, thinks, are they thing? Are my parents small things? No, they are my parents. They cannot be non living things. So he gets confused. He starts crying. When mother comes back after helping his father from the shop, she finds that he is crying. She asks him the reason, and she acts very wisely and an intelligent person. Why is he crying? He tells the whole story sobbingly, means cryingly, to his mother, that he is not able to find out which is the most beautiful thing. Hearing their crying noise, father comes from the shop. He too asks about the reason why the boy is crying, and mother also starts crying that the boy is not able to find out which is the most beautiful thing. Father too admits that he too doesn't know which is the most beautiful thing. Father too feels the pain for his son, that he is crying. He is not happy to see him crying. So he tries to comfort the boy by bringing the most expensive biscuits from his shop. Mother too comforts the boy by giving him hot milk in a bowl. Ramchand thought that his parents might laugh at him. They will laugh seeing him crying. They are very understanding, caring parents. He is very thankful to them. They did not laugh at him. They understands him. They take care of his feelings as well. They feel his pain. So he is very thankful and grateful to his parents that they do not make fun of him, they do not laugh at him because of his innocence. So he always remembers these things. After this incident, he starts loving and respecting his parents even more than before, because now he feels that how much his parents love him, how much do they care about him, how much they understand his feelings, and they are with him all the time.